Hello, welcome back to my channel. And today we are diving in right into something very important. And I want you to pay serious attention to this very topic today because I think every one of us has one way or the other to have experienced this along our journey towards achieving what we want to achieve. I am Ambassador Peter, and if this is the first time you are watching my video, welcome to Rock TV, the authentic voice you should trust. And here we expose the different ways whereby you can be able to attain to your successful life. Wherever or whatever you want to do, here we dive into making you understand that really success is for you. And if you believe and you hold on to what you have, then you can achieve success in no distance time. So welcome, and let's dive into the reason why hatred can occur in your journey to success. Let's dive in. Come close. Let's deal with this topic.
Ladies and gentlemen, my beautiful audience, this is where we do it and we do it better.
All right, most often time we realize that this hatred often comes in times of making a difference in the society. All right, mind you that anything you want to do and you want to be controversial, then you must have enemies altogether, because everybody mustn't like you and you mustn't be loved by everyone. But one thing is certain, that it's all an attribute of going with what you know and what that will get you to where you are going to. So success can be a double-edged sword, attracting admiration and unfortunately bringing resentment. Okay, hatred often stems from a fear of the unknown. When others see you striving for success, it may trigger their own insecurities and provoke negative reactions. That is normal. All right, those who dare to break free from societal expectation or norms often encounters this. Hatred may arise as a defense mechanism to maintain the familiar, but we're not giving in. All right, let's take for instance a maize. You take a maize, very beautiful, and plant it in the soil. What happens here? There's going to be a decay. That decay might not seem good to many people. Some will say, it has spoiled, or some will say, I told you that it will still spoil. But then all those thoughts and thinking and talks doesn't matter to the maize, because the maize has to decay to be able to come up to a stage of reproducing, right? So the stage of reproducing is the stage that people never thought about when talking down on the stage of decay. Now take it for instance, you take a mango seed wants to germinate in the soil. You find out that same seed that was thrown away, at some point it breaks, and in that point of breaking, a lot of things happens that it doesn't occur as fast as it should appear. But at a time you see something new coming out of that breaking. That is the process. That is the process. People must hate you. People must talk bad about you. People must present their negative thoughts concerning your strivings. Remember, you must be controversial. A lot of people doesn't want it that way. I want it so easy that everybody will like me. No, really, you want to do it right, you have to follow the process. So hatred is one of the process. I also want to bring to you today that hatred is still one of the process. See, it's very important to challenge these beliefs and promote understanding. While encountering hatred is inevitable, how we respond is within our control. Cultivate resilience, surround yourself with positivity, and focus on your goals. Remember, the greatest revenge against hatred is success. Stay true to your vision, persevere through adversity, and let your achievements speak for themselves. Now, let me make a recap of what I've said before. As you embark on your journey to success, just know that you will encounter hatred along the way, but don't let it ever dim your light. Use it as a fuel to propel you forward, and let your success be the ultimate response. All right. Thank you for watching. And if you've not subscribed before, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it to your friends, and let us know what you think in the comment section. Once again, I am Ambassador Peter, and right here at Rock TV, the authentic voice you should trust. Till next time, I will still see you. We have more things to talk about. Bye for now.